Now we're going to show you how to load the blades into the profile cartridge using the profile blades. Same procedure that we used basically for the sizing cartridge. We have these metal thumb screws that are going to come out. And then these metal blade holders that are going to pop up like that. Now, these are the profile blades. You can see they're different from the sizing blades. They only fit one way, so you can't possibly install them the wrong way. You're gonna drop them with the holes onto the guides so that they fall in nice and flush. And again, don't worry about putting them in wrong. They will not sit in the wrong way. See, I'm trying to do that wrong. It won't work. Won't work that way either. So we wanna get this put in like that. Screw your thumb screw back on. And now your blade assembly is ready to go. There's two blades for the angled tegular and the square tegular cartridge. The bev square tegular has a third blade that cuts the bevel after the other two angles have been cut.